Akhonto ebomini ingathi ebuhlungu ingathi kukuphila ungabonakali apho unyathela khona arapho ukhulele khona ungumuntu ongabonakaliyo, meaning that you are not seen as a human, as a soul. Ukungathandeki while you are an empath unobubele, but somehow what you get is rejection of your character, of your good character. Akho nto ibuhlungu ingathi leyo bethunani. Namhlanje zi-17 July, a day where my late sister passed on ngo-2013. So for me this day is very important. Bethunana, I want to say yesterday when I shared that moment of being presented with perfume, someone else actually sent me Siamos Shem Zangendi publish, which is not fair. But I want to say this, and ne comments zenu bethunana ne likes zenu akhondo imnandi ingati abantu bakubone ubuwena ngokwenyani, beyond the mask, beyond the noise, beyond status, beyond the facial features. Abantu bakubone kwaye bakuthande bakuve uba nawe umkhulu. Inkulu ke loo nto kum. Namhlanje ndiza nomyalezo othi may seeing each other deeply become the new norm. May seeing each other deeply, beyond status, beyond noise, beyond mask. May this timeline and era ibe indawo esizawubonana khona ubuthina beyond status, beyond uba unantoni na, ngoba sesaphila kwixesha loba ube invisible xa ungenanto. Ngale mini yanamhlanje ka sister wami odwa ndifuna uthi kuni, ngale mini ibaluleke kakhulu empilweni yami, ndifuna uthi kuni ngokuba khona kwenu apha and validating in fact all the messages, confirming all the messages that my soul is sent to give you. Ayondincinci loo nto kum. We are co-creating this space sale Lusanda age together bethunani. Inkulu into yokubona umuntu ngoba ungubani na. Yiloo nto noba ndithi noba ndihamba pha ku TikTok, I comment on people's low views. Xa ndibona umuntu poste ipicture yakhe una 3 likes, I make sure that I put my like too, because I'm saying to that person, I see you. Kubalulekile that to see each other, because we all want to be seen bethunani. I may not follow you back, all of you, but I make sure that I engage with everyone that comes into my space. Ndimbonise ukuthi I see you, even if it's a red dot like. Masiqhubekeni bethunana nale mpilo. We are in the timeline of seeing each other beyond status, beyond mask, beyond noise. Sikundlela mhlophe, the white garments, the healers are here. Okudalwe kuyenzeka, masithandaneni mzontsundu. Let's see each other. By those words, ndifuna ukuthi kuni, everyone that has been seeing me, I don't need to be validated, but the fact that you see me, and I've never been seen for many decades, it's beautiful to witness at the time of ndisondelena kwi-50 years of age. It's like I'm getting hugs from the universe every time you engage and see me. Ndiyabulela mzontsundu. Namhlanje mandithi kuni, everything is working out for me. Apho ndinyathela khona kukhokhela ukukhanya, apho ndihlala khona kukhokhela ukukhanya. Everything works out for me. Love and light family. Peace out. Why happy?